Hi, guys. Murphy is here with me today, and we are going to do a little detective work, taking a closer look at how to make the R sound. Rrr. The R sound can be so confusing for a lot of kids. So we're going to talk a little bit about how to make the sound. And as you can see, Murphy has gotten quite bigger than our last video that he premiered how to make the L sound and how to make the shh quiet sound. So today we're going to talk about the R sound. It almost sounds like when a dog growls. And believe me, Murphy can growl. He's kind of sleepy right now, but he might want to help us figure out how to make the R sound. So the R sound is made by using the tongue, and it's kind of hard to see because what happens, the magic happens inside the mouth like this. The muscles of the tongue can move up and back. R, 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 R. We're trying to figure it out already. He's such a good detective. So it's so confusing to most kiddos how to make the R sound. So sometimes it sounds a little bit like a W. Wah. In a W, my lips get super round and it sounds like two vowels. Ooh, 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 ooh. For ooh, my tongue comes kind of higher. And for my tongue goes down. Ooh. So let's dig a little deeper and see what the difference is in the R sound. R. So for the the beginning, when we're making a vowel sound, look, he's searching for that sound. He's trying to figure out what is that sound. Ah, that's a vowel. But if we start there, our tongue is low and we can practice stretching our tongue and tightening our tongue muscles and pulling it back and bunching it up at the back by our ear. Kind of sounds like a dog growling. Some people like to make their R sound by curling the tongue. So they take the tip of the tongue. Murphy, can you show the friends the tip of your tongue? He's not having it today. He's going to show you his teeth. But you can take the tip of your tongue right here, this part, and you can curl it backwards. Some folks do that but you're always going to push the sides of the back of your tongue up against your chomping teeth like this. But you can curl it backwards. Let's take a closer look, Murph. He's ready to run away. Or R. So it's all about the tongue movement or the muscles of the tongue, how tight they get, where exactly the tightness is. Look, he's trying to sniff out the clues. Did you find any clues? Maybe our friends can help us. Practice that with your tongue. See if you can figure out the mystery of the R sound. Look, Murphy's running away. He's tired of making videos today. Murphy. We're going to go now because Murphy's ready to go find the clues. He's just so excited to go figure out how to make that R sound so he can make that growling puppy sound. Tell him bye. Can you turn off the computer, Murph? Can you turn it off? He's going to turn it off for us. He's looking around. Oh, yeah. Here it is.